Welcome! Today, we will explore the anatomy of state machines in the context of programming, discuss how to diagram them efficiently, and uncover the core purpose of state machines. To begin, there are three fundamental concepts when discussing their anatomy: states, transitions, and events. States are unique places the machine can be in at any given time. We often diagram these with shapes like circles or boxes. Transitions orchestrate how to move things between states. They always transition from one state to another state, sometimes back to the same state. We diagram these as arrows between our shapes. Transitions only move things between states when certain events happen. An event is a kind of signal that notifies listeners when something important happens. We diagram these as labels, colors, or patterns on our arrows. There are three entry points for executing code programmers are concerned with: during a specific transition, when a state is entered, and when a state is exited. However, at this level of abstraction, logic is best kept to a minimum. Your code is the most efficient representation of your logic's intricate details. By leaving logic out of your diagrams, you focus on when that logic executes instead. We have now uncovered the core purpose of state machines: to model the life cycles of programs and systems. State machine diagrams are our visual language to communicate these complex, event-driven systems, from light bulbs to graphics processing units. Make sure to keep these in mind when diagramming your next state machine. Remember to take notes and have fun.